Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Michael with another Golden Insight. Here we are revisiting our dahlia bed from earlier in the season that we gave a jump start with some Crown Jewels Grow. Today we're going to give it a combination of the Grow and Bloom to act as a transition as these plants really start to take off and the new ones that are starting to get sprouted really jump up and start to produce some blooms. So just like last time, this is going to take about 2.5 pounds of amendment for the entire bed. It's about 50 square feet. Then we'll move on to the blooms. So we've got a nice mix of these two NPKs at a 3-2-2 and a 1-4-2. We're going to kind of balance it out and get a little more even balance of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. We're just going to get a quick rake this in, and then we're going to water in today with a little bit of beneficial bacteria, Azos from Xtreme. This bacteria will help fix nitrogen from the atmosphere into the soil to provide it for your plants. It's a great product. Any different biological products you can add to your soil really make a huge difference. Xtreme is one of the leaders in this business. For 5 gallons of water, just about 2 tablespoons of this Azos. We're just gonna dump it right in the bucket, mix it up, and pour it on. Well, thanks for joining us again on another Golden Insights. We've got all this Crown Jewels raked in, ready to go. A little bit of grow, a little bit of bloom to transition from the growing to the flowering stage. We're gonna dump on our Mycos and Azos from Xtreme, and we're off to the races. Thanks again for checking in on Golden Insights.